Welcome to our quick guide on deploying N8n from the Oikos Marketplace. This is a powerful, open-source workflow automation tool that lets you connect apps, automate tasks, and streamline your processes, all without writing complex code. Let's get started. First, head over to launch.nife.io and log into your account. If you're new to Nife, you can quickly sign up and get started. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now, look at the sidebar on the left. Find and click on Marketplace. This is where you can explore and deploy various applications, including N8n. Here, search for N8n. Once you see N8n, hover over it and click on Deploy to begin the setup process. Deploying this application will only take less than 30 seconds, so sit back and relax while your app is being set up. The deployment was successful. Now, we just need to wait for approximately 90 seconds to allow the DNS to resolve. I've waited approximately 90 seconds for the DNS to resolve. Now, let's click on Open App to access. Now, it's asking us to set up the owner account. Let's quickly fill this in and complete the setup. That's it. N8n is now set up and ready to use. You can start creating powerful automated workflows by connecting your favorite apps and services. Whether it's data syncing, task automation, or complex integrations, N8n makes it easy and flexible. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to us.